supposed to do something for our anniversary, and now we can't. We were gonna go to this little ranch. It was gonna be so cute. It was just like a secluded little ranch where you could pet animals and just like relax and kind of do like the whole glamping thing, because it was like a trailer. Sorry if you guys see me picking at my teeth. I ate some chips. I ate chips. I ate some chips and now they're kind of like stuck in my teeth and it's like irritating me. So if I do that, I'm sorry. But yeah, right now I'm leaving Corona, California, because we have a client out there that I was... Okay, what's going on with this hair? So I'm gonna be talking to you guys. I can't be having busted hair. Like, who am I? I had a client to go to in Corona, so... Ooh, I don't like that sun on my mouth. See, this is why I can't look at like a camera. I should be driving. I'm sorry, guys. I am driving. I'm paying attention to the road, I swear. But anyways, I had a client up there, and now I'm heading down to a client in El Cajon. And then it's just gonna be like regular work day for me, back behind the desk. So that's kind of why I don't really do a lot. And I've told you guys this before in some of my other vlogs. Like, I don't do a lot of vlogging just because a lot of my day is just sitting behind a desk and it's boring as hell. But you know what? It's fine. We're gonna change that. We're gonna change that. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go with this other client to pick something up. Guys, sidetrack. Look at this little scabby I have. I have a scabby because I picked at a pimple. But like, low-key is kind of cute. I'm like, oh, hold up, that's kind of cute. It looks like a little beauty mark. So, okay, awkward. This car next to me is like literally, I hate when people are like driving the same exact speed as me and they look over and they see me like recording or something. Okay, that's fine. Anyways, I low-key think it's kind of cute. Like, it looks like a little beauty mark. I kind of wish I had a little beauty mark right there. But anyway, I'm gonna go do that. And then I'm just gonna work. And then tonight I have to pack. And then I'm probably gonna do a little bit of studying. I have some studying to do, personal studying and also studying for work. So yeah, it's gonna be a kind of busy day, but nothing like super crazy. But I just felt like, you know what, Vlogmas was fun. I got to do a lot with it, and I think that you guys actually enjoyed it. And you know what was great is that, like, even though my videos didn't get thousands of views, I think it was awesome. Like, I got to like give you guys a little glimpse of my life, and then you guys got to watch a video like every day or every week or whatever, and it was cool. And I mean, it helped just kind of like, you know, make me a little relevant for the holiday. But also, like, your girl got paid from YouTube, which I know that if you guys follow me for a while, you guys know I always say this, but like, I don't get paid every month because I don't post consistently enough. But this was the most I've gotten paid in literal, I want to say I want to say years. Like, I don't think here's the thing. I think, if I'm gonna be 100% transparent with you guys, I think I make like $100 and something anytime I do get paid from YouTube, and that's it. And that's just like if I get lucky and post like a couple times a month. This time I made a little bit more. Your girl hit the $200 range, which that's amazing. I don't care if you guys know how much I make, because honestly I don't even make a lot. But it's just the fact of the matter that being consistent really does make a difference. And the fact that I was like posting so much during Vlogmas, you know, I had a paycheck that was bigger than $100, which is amazing. And I actually talked about this. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys know. But if you don't, if YouTube is the only platform you guys watch me on, I was a part of a podcast episode with this girl Daya. She has a podcast called Authentically Iconic Podcast, and it was dope. Like, it was really cool. I got to do a little episode with her, and it was really awesome because she's a real ass OG YouTube subscriber, because she literally could tell me videos, you guys, that I posted, no lie, like 10 years ago, and she could like remember them by freaking titles. So like, I thought that was so dope. Like, it was really cool being able to just like hang out with an OG subscriber, one, but two, like, it was dope to like see how for her it felt so full circle, and she kind of explains that in the podcast episode. But it's cool because, you know, like, she used to watch me growing up, and we talked about how I was posting videos like every freaking day. Like, yo, guys, I used to come home from school, and even if I had work that day, I would post a video. Like, I would record a quick little video on my MacBook and I would post it, and it was cool. And that's really what got me to like blow up at that time. Like, I started gaining followers like crazy because I was posting consistently, and I kind of got a little spill for that with Vlogmas. And now I'm like, I'm a little inspired. I'm like, you know what, even if all I do have is like a vlog about my work day or a vlog about what my day is like I want to share that with you guys. So I'm going to try my best today, tomorrow, and this weekend to vlog all of it, because today's like a boring work day. Tomorrow I have off, but I have like some things to do before I head out to Arizona. And then Saturday I have like a few things to do, and then Sunday is mine and Cody's 2-year anniversary. So we have a little thing that we have planned, which is going to be super cute. So I just think it'd be nice to like have something to vlog for you guys. That's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. I just wanted to say, like, it's so dope. Like, it really motivated me. I know, like, you shouldn't be motivated by the money, but basically what it showed me is that, like, I was consistent for all of Vlogmas and I was able to make money, right? So if I could be consistent all the time on YouTube, then I can make money and I can afford to, one, take care of one of my goals for 2021. One of my goals for 2021, and we'll talk about this in another video because I want to do like a whole video on setting your intentions and goals and whatnot. But one of my goals for 2021 is to pay off my car this year. Technically, I still have this whole year and then half a year, so a year and a half left to pay off this car. But I'm so close that I'm like, why can't I just pay it off this year? Like, if I could put double payments, if I could put my taxes to it, any extra money I make to this car, I could probably pay it off this year. So that's my goal for 2021. One of my goals is to pay off my car this year rather than a year and a half, because if I can pay it off in a year, next year I'll have way less payments to worry about, and that is freaking amazing, especially because by I think January next year, January 2022, I'll be done paying off my braces. So it's like, it's perfect. I won't have a car payment or a braces payment anymore, and if I don't make any big purchases from now until then, y'all, I'm gonna have extra money, honey, that I can invest and save, and it'll be great. Because have other goals in mind, and obviously, like, I can't wait to share all these things with you guys, but we want to wait until everything is kind of like set in stone for me to tell you guys some of my other goals for this year. But I have good things coming and I'm really excited about it, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys, especially because it's going to be stuff that, like, I actually enjoy and have fun with, and I get to do it with, like, you know, some of my best friends. Like, obviously I'm going to do this little side hustle adventure, new endeavor in life with Jonathan, and we're both really excited about it. So I'll give you guys like a little snip. We're gonna start a little flippy business, okay? I wish that we were, you know, money made and we could flip homes, but we can't, not right now. But we're going to be flipping furniture. I'm so excited. I'll give you guys all the details as it like progresses and things start to actually come to fruition and become real, which they already are. Like, I'll show you guys some of the stuff that we have, but it's gonna be so great, and I'm just like, I'm so excited and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So definitely stay tuned for that. This is going to be a video of me just talking on my car ride. I'm annoying. Okay, I will show you guys the rest of today as it transpires. I'll see you guys then. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys that I'm going to be changing up the vibe of my room. I never actually showed you guys my room to begin with, but now that it's like starting to come together, I want to change up the vibe a little bit. So I bought these really cute pillowcases from Amazon. They were like $7 or something. They're like a nice dark green satin. So I'm going to put that on where my marble ones are, because I just feel like I'm over the marble theme. Which brings me to this. Don't mind how dirty my desk is right now, but I put marble contact paper on this, and I'm actually going to switch it out to black wood just so that it can be more cohesive with like everything I'm changing up. So first I'm going to change those pillowcases so you guys can see what they look like, and then when I actually get some time, I'll actually give you guys a full on like show of my room, because I finally framed my prints and I want to put them up there. So when I can get those up there, it'll be great. And then, oh, I framed my J. Cole one that's over there. There we go, that one. So yeah, once I actually get a chance to clean up all my room and everything, I want to show you guys. Is it not focusing again? There we go. I want to show you guys what it all looks like. Okay, so I realized that these are for queen pillows, and I have standard. So I did order some queen pillowcases off Amazon right now, but I love it, guys. Like, I love the color, but I wish the camera would pick up just how pretty this green is, because it's just like this really deep dark hunter green almost, and on camera it looks kind of gray, but I just think it's going to go really well with the vibe. So, and I have to get rid of, oh my god, my room is a mess right now. I have to get rid of my gray blanket, so I'll probably just like take this off the bed now and replace it with, I have this fluffy one, which is nice. That could be a cute little thing, or who knows, but yeah. Okay guys, tonight's dinner is going to be super quick and simple because I just don't feel like cooking. So I bought this pasta prima grilled chicken and mozzarella ravioli. I have nothing for you, Ayla. It's supposed to cook in like 4 minutes, but if you guys notice, 15 grams of protein per serving. A serving is 1 cup of pasta, 250 calories, 9 grams of fat, 23 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of protein, which is actually not too bad for pasta. And then, of course, if you don't know, you need to know the Rouse, I think, homemade marinara, or any of their sauces are just bomb. They taste really good. They're not horrible either as far as like sugars, carbs, fat, calories. It's really not bad. So we're gonna make that. Can you stop? Stop whining. We're gonna make that for dinner. Something quick and easy, but still has a decent amount of protein and not too many carbs. Supposed to let it boil before putting the pasta in, but oh well. So we're just gonna let that melt up, and then dinner is done. Super quick and easy today, nothing crazy. So I forgot to show you guys this, but we got this bad boy off Facebook Marketplace for free. The guy that sold it was just trying to get rid of it, so we are basically washing, oh, this one's still dirty. We're washing all of the pillows and everything, and then Jonathan actually washed the front of this. He bought this little vacuum sucker thingy, so he washed this earlier. He's gonna wash the whole thing, and we're gonna use this as our couch. We're gonna flip our blue couch that you guys have always seen, because like I mentioned, we're going to start like flipping furniture, and so we want to clean up the other one obviously and then sell that one out. But hi. I was just showing them what we bought. Oh, we're gonna see this in action now.
Squirted everywhere. 6 times in your face.
I'm excited. I wanted to see how this thing worked. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's watch this in action. And Jonathan's bed. Okay guys, so I am pretty much gonna get ready to pack up or finish packing up my bag for Arizona, and probably gonna just like watch a movie and relax. So because I have a really busy day tomorrow, even though I have the day off, I have to get a lot done before I head out to Arizona. So yeah, and I don't really have to pack a lot because I'm literally only gonna be there for like 2 full days. But it is cold in Arizona right now, and it's supposed to rain all weekend, so I have to like pack for that, you know. Right now I'm just gonna take off my makeup, wash my face. I already brushed my teeth, put some new wax on. I get my braces tightened tomorrow, so that'll be nice because they've been bothering me. So it'll be nice for them to like obviously fix them. But tomorrow they're gonna go in and actually shave in between my teeth, so that's gonna be crazy. Hopefully, like, it's not super dramatic, because I actually like that I have, like, wider teeth. But obviously, like, they need to make some room for my teeth to grow and, like, move and shift and stuff, and they can't shift if they don't have room. And so, yeah, in order to, like, get these to, like, push back, they have to go in and polish, is what they call it. Polish it down. So we'll see how that all turns out. But yeah, basically I'm just gonna finish packing up. I'm pretty much just gonna wear like sweaters and stuff. Like, I'm gonna bring sweaters because I want to be warm. I don't want to be all freezing my butt off. And then after I pack, I think I'm going to edit this vlog so I can try to post this before I leave tomorrow. So yeah, you guys will probably be watching this on Friday, which will be nice, because it's pretty much like a short vlog. I didn't do like a whole lot, but I still wanted something for you guys to like be able to watch because I got inspired. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys use a planner, but if you don't, like, you absolutely need one. This is pretty much what my day was looking like today, and I didn't even get to everything here. And then tomorrow is going to be super busy, even though I'm literally leaving tomorrow. So it's going to be a crazy day, but that's fine. Trying to think if there's anything else I have to tell you guys before I close this video out. Probably not. Yeah, I guess not. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video, whether that be a vlog or a video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I will see you guys there. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and like this video. Hit the notification bell if you want to be alerted anytime I actually post. And yeah, see you guys later.